Cardano value equivalent to 7.0070 rands a coin. The present cost range, 6.89557.1564. The earlier day close, 7.1074. The change was 0.1004, 1.41%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost 7.13 rands, high 7.63, low 6.63. Cardano conjecture on Friday, May 26, cost 7.21 rands, high 7.71, low 6.71. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost 7.12 rands, high 7.62, low 6.62. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, May 30, cost 7.12 rands, high 7.62, low 6.62. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost 7.12 rands, high 7.62, low 6.62. Cardano gauge on Thursday, June 1, cost 7.05 rands, high 7.54, low 6.56. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost 7.09 rands, high 7.59, low 6.59. Cardano gauge on Monday, June 5, cost 7.17 rands, high 7.67, low 6.67. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, June 6, cost 7.21 rands, high 7.71, low 6.71. In about 14 days Cardano gauge on Wednesday, June 7, cost 7.43 rands, high 7.95, low 6.91. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost 7.43 rands, high 7.95, low 6.91. Cardano gauge on Friday, June 9, cost 7.61 rands, high 8.14, low 7.08. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost 7.46 rands, high 7.98, low 6.94. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost 7.59 rands, high 8.12, low 7.06. In 3 weeks Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost 7.46 rands, high 7.98, low 6.94. Cardano gauge on Thursday, June 15, cost 7.27 rands, high 7.78, low 6.76. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 7.26 rands, high 7.77, low 6.75. Cardano estimate on Monday, June 19, cost 6.99 rands, high 7.48, low 6.50. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost 7.07 rands, high 7.56, low 6.58. In about a month Cardano estimate on Wednesday, June 21, cost 6.98 rands, high 7.47, low 6.49. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost 7.09 rands, high 7.59, low 6.59. Cardano estimate on Friday, June 23, cost 7.21 rands, high 7.71, low 6.71. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Cardano cost forecast for May 2023. To start with, cost at 7.23 rands, exorbitant cost 7.77, while low cost 6.38. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.13. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.12, change for May 1.5%. Cardano conjecture for June 2023. At the outset cost at 7.12 rands, excessive cost 8.14, while low cost 6.40. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.20. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.13, change for June 0.1%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 7.13 rands, excessive cost 7.79, while low cost 6.77. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.24. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.28, change for July 2.1%. Cardano conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 7.28 rands, excessive cost 8.59, while low cost 7.28. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.80. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 8.03, change for August 10.3%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 8.03 rands, exorbitant cost 8.17, while low cost 7.11. The found the middle value of cost 7.74. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 7.64. Change for September 4.9%. Cardano estimate for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 7.64 rands. Exorbitant cost 9.48, while low cost 7.64. The found the middle value of cost 8.41. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 8.86. Change for October 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 8.86 rands. Exorbitant cost 8.86, while low cost 6.92. The found the middle value of cost 8.02. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 7.44. Change for November 16.0%. Cardano estimate for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 7.44 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.44, while low cost 5.81. The found the middle value of cost 6.74. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6.25. Change for December 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 6.25 rands. Excessive cost 6.30, while low cost 5.48. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.98. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.89. Change for January 5.8%. Cardano figure for February 2024. Initially cost at 5.89 rands. Excessive cost 6.52, while low cost 5.66. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.04. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6.09. Change for February 3.4%. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 6.09 rands. Excessive cost 6.09, while low cost 5.04. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.66. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.42. Change for spring 11.0%. Cardano figure for April 2024. Initially cost at 5.42 rands. Excessive cost 6.64, while low cost 5.42. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.92. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6.21. Change for April 14.6%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place cost at 6.21 rands. Exorbitant cost 6.21, while low cost 4.85. The found the middle value of cost 5.62. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.22. Change for May 15.9%. ZAR to ADA conversion scale equivalent to 0.1427 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1397-0.1450. The earlier days nearby 0.1407. Change for now plus 0.0020 plus 1.42%. Rand to Cardano estimate on Thursday, May 25. Cost 0.140 coins.